Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to go back there. There's a gate right there, and what we're going to do is we're just going to go back there and show you guys what's over there. We're currently at my dad's house. Also, I have my own channel. Just look up Wyatt choose the picture that looks most like me. It was a picture of me that was in 3rd grade. I skipped picture day in 4th grade for some reason.
Hey, what are you doing on my channel? What are you doing here? Who told you to be on this channel?
Don't shoot me.
Like that, as you're doing, I'm at Wyatt's house right now. We're hanging out.
No one, come on over.
Come on. Probably asking why the mask. I found this again.
So, yeah, here's a venomous rodent.
I will eat your flesh straight off.
Don't. I have a key. Well, the door is a lock over there, and we're gonna unlock it. So, yeah, let's get our video started. No one, please pause the camera.
Bye.
Wait,
what the hell is this? What is this?
Yeah. This used to be our old target thing for the BB gun.
Oh my gosh!
And it got rained on, and now it's like soaking and.
Ew.
Ugh.
Well,
okay,
back to our broadcast.
$1 for every time there was an S in my sentence.
You'd be a billionaire, boy.
Jeez, this used to be our own little sandbox. Now it's just clay.
Clay.
Huh.
Back to our broadcast.
Yeah, open the door to Terabithia. No.
Terabithia, I love that movie. Oh my gosh, that is Terabithia. Let me full screen it.
If only we had like a rope.
That's totally Terabithia right there.
I know.
Come here. I'm gonna see if I can get a better view for you guys. All this water we're gonna be swimming in summer.
Oh my god. And I thought it was just me that thought that the tides were really going up.
Shit.
Alright.
We're gonna be swimming in this in summer.
Hold on, don't pause the camera because I want everybody to know what's back here, okay?
Yeah, I want to swing on this. Hold this.
Dude, you're gonna get seriously wet. Look.
Oh God, bloody hell!
Oh my god, I didn't even know it was this wet. Okay, let's just leave that alone.
I want my butt wet.
Come on.
Are we allowed to go this way?
Is it recording right now?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Okay, so don't pause it. Until I say pause it.
Okay. Nice neighbor house. Sweet. Nice little pool to have.
Oh yeah. By the way, subscribe to Nolan and me. We're both friends. Well, if
2nd grade.
If you want to, we're not gonna make you do it.
We've been actually been doing this for I've been watching you since kindergarten. He's been watching you since 2nd grade.
I already suggested my channel. I am very forgetful.
Yes, you are.
Dude, how'd this happen?
Heat crap.
Oh, dude, it smells.
I like that smell. It smells like gasoline.
No, it smells like crap.
Well, with this mask on, everything smells good. Even me.
Yeah, because probably the mask smells good.
It smells like freaking gun.
And then it makes everything else smell good.
It actually smells like the gun I shot. I remember that story I told you? Actually, true fact. I told you about me and my cousin go shooting. I brought this mask with me. I actually brought this mask with me when that happened.
Oh, cool.
And a little bit of smoke on the mask.
Dude, mushroom.
It's so small. Goomba. But only not a human size.
It's me, Mario. The guy who hides a million coins under his freaking mustache.
Yeah, basically he steals from innocent Goombas.
Well, no, he doesn't steal.
He takes it.
He kills Goombas.
and takes it. Mario's a horrible person.
I know, right?
Fungus!
Look
Fungi.
at how much fungus is on this tree. Oh my god!
It's called fungi. Why? Get it right. Daddy, hold my hand. Oh my gosh!
Oh.
Hurt? You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just worried about the fungus.
Am I allowed to touch fungus or no?
They're like mushrooms, so wash your hands when you get home.
Not touching it then.
Okay, just be careful.
Hope there's no spiders.
Oh man, it's about to get muddy.
Yes, mud!
Dude, this is our only way down here and it's just clouded with mud.
Why does your dad have not been trimming this? We should go get some trimmers. Should we?
No, we'll be fine.
You can see. Sorry about the cuss word. I just got stabbed by a branch. I'm gonna pause this video right here, just in case we get hurt. Okay, we're back. We're still going. Oh my god.
We're almost there.
We're almost there! Go, Daddy, go!
We're so close.
So close, but we fall and die.
Dude, remember that one time when you marched the territory?
Wait, what? Say it again. Say it again, Wyatt.
No.
Oh my god, there's fungi all over this!
I know, right?
Holy
Wow. Is it paused?
No, we're actually recording still.
Okay, so this is the stream that we have back here.
Stream.
Very beautiful.
I'm never
Wait,
streaming.
how dark is everything on the tablet?
Pretty light, actually. Got some good weather down
You
here.
should have adjusted the brightness down here.
Hey guys, look! It's something over there. What is that? Is that a dildo?
Wait, what?
What is that?
I don't know. It's probably a hose or something.
Oh,
Is the hose on?
yep.
I don't know. It could be water.
It's the people that person's actually been wasting water.
I think somebody just like built this little thing over here. You know what? I'm gonna let water into it. Be free.
No.
Be free.
I'm gonna take off my mask now.
Draining it into the river. I was hoping that the river would flow into here, but it's not happening. You know what?
Screw water.
Dam it up.
Dam it up. Dam it up, boy.
There we go.
Let me do it. I'm pretty good at building dams, boy.
I already did it.
You're not good enough because water's still slipping in. That's how you build a dam. I'm pretty good at building dams because I've been...
Maybe like a beaver thing is just a wives' tale?
Yeah. Hey, we should have brought our shovel with us. I saw a shovel.
Yeah,
Shovel or
we
camera.
probably should have.
Let's throw the camera in the water.
No! No, GoPro could go in the water, but... Dude,
I would never get this out to people anymore.
come check this out.
I'm checking it out. Hey, look, it's like a little island.
Dude!
It's a vault. Tell me if you know what...
That's probably sewage. Dude, look at the disgusting bubble.
Ugh. You guys don't need to see that. Okay, you guys get to see it. Basically, if you guys know what Fallout is, you would know what a vault is. Oh my god, the river is so high!
Everybody knows what a vault is. Okay, I'm gonna try to jump this. Nolan, you can just step in the mud if you want to.
I like mud.
You can get your feet wet.
Okay, well, I'm gonna record my feet.
Okay?
Okay, you can jump. Go, jump.
Maybe I don't even need to jump. I'm too tall.
I like mud. Let's do a feet cam. Fuck, tree hit me. Sorry about the language, I get mad super easily. I went to some...
I got a phone to add to my collection.
Really? I have many of those.
Come to me.
Dude, is that Katie's boot?
What? Where?
Whose boot is that?
Oh, that never belonged to Katie.
My god! Comment down below if that's your boot.
No, do you want to add this to a collection?
No.
Why not?
Hate collections. I already have mine. Remember when Shelly, me, you went over here and Katie?
Yeah.
I got officially wet. That was funny. That was funny.
Dude, I wish we could swim in here.
But that's so cool. I would actually
Yeah, but
swim.
if it was warm,
Here,
I'm
here.
gonna chuck this thing. I give up on the golf ball.
Here, I'm gonna swim. I'm gonna swim.
No,
Why?
don't get in there.
Why? Is it freezing cold? Do I get adamant?
Yeah, dude, it's in the dead of winter.
That is true. Winter's almost over.
No, actually, it's not. It won't be over until like April.
Guys, look at that. Ugh!
Oh, we have a close-up of that stuff.
Blech. Oh my! I'm still spit red.
There.
Do you see that?
All right, let's cross again.
No, watch.
Oh my god, that is red. Dude, should we play in the sand?
Play in sand. I can't because I have a camera on my hand.
All right.
Let's go.
Well,
God, it's so dangerous with a camera right now. If I only had a GoPro.
yeah, that would be awesome.
Yeah, but I have to hold this big tablet. Why'd I have a GoPro? That would be easy. Okay, time to jump. I mean, walk. Oh, I went through my shoe.
Would you rather have a Wii U or a GoPro?
A GoPro.
I'd rather have my Wii U.
It's because I can make videos, and basically because I can make videos, I can help my parents earn money.
Unfortunately, my videos are of poor quality right now.
Same with mine. Mine used to be
Oh, did you know that I have 2 subscribers?
2 subscribers. One of them is me. Oh, look at that in the ground. What is that?
Ew.
What is that? Fungi?
Newspaper.
Ewy.
100% recycled newspaper.
Go! Huh, that's what she
My
said.
shoes don't get too muddy.
My shoes always get muddy. Because I'm so fancy. Okay, we're going to leave this right here. See you guys.
Wait.
I'll be back. Hey guys, we're ending it because we have